When I decided to migrate 7 countries payroll at once, all by myself, everyone thought that I was crazy. But Deel made it happen in just 4 months with amazing support every step on the way. From day one, our vision and team were global. When I joined, it was really challenging just first to audit the company and to understand what's going on. And then I just started to realize that the payroll was managed only locally and it was super hard for the HQ to have a view on everything. Today, Deel saves a lot of time and hours of admin works. For me, it's more than just saving times. Deel gives me something you can't measure. It's peace of mind. It's allowed me to be strategic leader, not just an admin, and I can finally focus on people, performance, culture, and well-being instead of chasing payroll and compliance across 7 spreadsheets. So that's the real power of Deel.